Hello, Tim. My name is Brad Altman, and I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. In this video, Tim, I'm going to show you a few different things about websites. I notice you don't have one for your business. Maybe you're doing just fine without a website. I don't know. But after watching this, you might have a few questions about that. Um, the information, however, Tim, I am sending to you is free information. So if you decide to build your own website, you can use this information to apply it to that website. Again, I notice you don't have a website. So what I do have up here is just your web page or your Facebook page. But I'm going to show you a couple different companies out there and what um, a website could do for you and how easily it would be to outrank your competition out there. So this is your competition out there. Um, it's HydroClean. What I'm going to do first of all is copy and paste their URL, and I'm going to put it in something called a word count. So it shows me they have 497 words on their web page. And again, this tool is called word count. It's a free um, device that you can use off of by downloading it off of the internet, Google, and it tells you how many words you will have on your web page if you ever get to that point and want to know. So again, they have 497. So that's not many because these days Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website. Next, I'm going to go over here to a thing called Ahrefs. Okay. Ahrefs, however, Tim, is not a free tool. It costs me about $200 a month. But what it does is it brings up all the information about websites out there. And in this instance, it just happens to be HydroClean, the company that is number one ranked out there in your business right now. And you can see there's something called organic words here. Well, their website right now is bringing them in zero amount of money, and that has to do with the keywords that they're using here. A keyword, I'm going to go over here. So these guys have a Facebook page just like you, so I didn't use them. That's why I went with HydroClean. But keywords in your business, I don't think you do pressure washing, but it brought up all these window cleaning companies. Um, but window cleaning are two key words in your business. So if I wanted to just take this off and put up window cleaners, it would still bring me up this same information down here. And again, that's how I found you. Um, so again, I already showed you HydroClean. They only had like 400 some words, if I remember correctly, on their word count. Let's see, 497. So again, it'd be very easy to outrank them. And the same thing with their organic words. They only have five, bringing them in $0 amount. So this area is called Map It, and down here is where the keywords really come into um, act. This is where people normally click is on this area to find what they're looking for. So now they got pressure washing, pressure washing. Here's HydroClean right here. So they're in the second spot. Again, because the amount of words and the lack of organic words, it's going to be very easily to get you ranked right here and to start bringing in some of their customers and other people's customers because this is the first spot, according to Google, that people click on. So it's going to be pretty easy, like I said, to get you right up in this area by adding proper keywords. I'm going to show you another company just to show you how good keywords are and what they can do for you. So this is Crystal Clear, and they have 150 organic words. But see the difference in money that is bringing in off of their webpage. So just from their webpage alone, it's bringing them $3,000 per month. So this is what I was trying to show you, Tim, that by getting a web page up, you can add dramatic income to your company. Or if you're thinking about hiring people, you can ask also put hiring on your website. I don't know if these companies are or not. Don't see anything. So they don't have anything on their website either. So with that in mind, if you build a web page like these are all up here, you can put a spot right here saying now hiring or something along that line. So there's two things that a website can do for you. You can get you people hired if you're looking for that, and it can, like I said, bring you in a tremendous lot of more money than what you're receiving right now, um, or added to, because this is just a separate tool, kind of like a radio ad or newspaper ad, anything like that. So by adding a website, you're going to do yourself a lot of good. It's going to bring in a lot more money. One last thing I want to talk about, Tim, is something called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I understand that sounds technical, but basically all it is, Tim, is a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your website wins. Another way that Google says it is these links act like an endorsement of your business from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And that's how you get ranked in this area besides the keywords. So, again, like I said, they're not doing real good out there with their keywords. They only have 5. I'm going to just click on that while we're here. And their backlinks, they only got 17 people referring back to them. We'll wait for this to pop up here, Tim. And again, this information is free, Tim, for you to use to build your own website. Or if you want more information, feel free to reach out to me. So, with this in mind, so clean, hydroquote, there's Windows is about the only thing they see so far. Window cleaning, and then they got one for power washing. So again, by adding keywords to their business, they would do a lot better. And again, it was going to be very easy for you to outrank them. With this in mind, Tim, I'm going to clear out from here, and I'm going to send this video to you per email. You can reply to that email or contact me at 608-574-2784. I am always here to help and would be more than happy to give you some more free information about how to build a website. Or if you need the help, you can contact me. Thank you, Tim. Have yourself a great new year.